finally feel like I'm in my element. I finally made it to Costa Rica, a country that I always wanted to go, and it's finally here. I'm staying at this place called Flor y Bamboo. It's an eco-friendly place. I love this place. They have the nature surrounding this place is just amazing.
Trees that they're imperfect, man.
I'm so glad that Flor y Bamboo got bikes that you could rent for free. And just 5 minutes down the street, for $10 a day, there's a boutique gym called Unity. They got all your major equipment, and I promise you, you can get a full workout here. After your workout, I know you're gonna be hungry. Just down the street, there's this wonderful place called Pots and Bowls. It's an organic place that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can get smoothies from $6, and the food ranges anywhere from $8 to $25. Life has its up and downs, and if you're looking to recharge your batteries, give Costa Rica a try. Playa Grande is only 20 minutes from Tamarindo. Pura vida in English means pure life. In Costa Rica, it's a way of life. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already.